Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to make an audio call on Facebook. Whether you want to catch up with friends, talk to family, or have a quick chat with someone special, Facebook makes it easy to connect with just a few simple taps. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your friends and messages. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner for the messages icon. It looks like a little speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside. Tap on that icon to open your message inbox. Here, you'll see all your recent chats and conversations. Scroll through the list and select the person you want to call. You can also use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find their name if you don't see it right away. When the conversation opens, you'll be ready to start your call. At the top of the chat window, you'll notice a few icons. Look for the one that looks like a small phone or audio call symbol. Tap on it to start an audio call. Facebook will begin connecting you immediately. You might see a ringing screen while waiting for the other person to answer. Once they pick up, you'll be connected and can start talking instantly. You can adjust your volume from your phone's settings during the call, use your speaker, or switch to a headset for better sound. If your internet connection is strong, the audio will be clear and smooth. When you're done, just hit the red end call button to hang up. The call will disconnect, and you'll return to your chat window. And that's it. You've successfully made an audio call on Facebook. Simple, quick, and perfect for staying in touch no matter where you are. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a reminder on how to use this handy feature.